Hi everyone, my name is Thanh, and I'm super excited to share my final Kaggle Capstone project with you today. Uh, First, I've been working on an intelligent AI solution under the Agent for Business track, and I really wanted to create something that deeply practical that solves a major real-world bottleneck. So let's jump right into the demo. So here is the interface of my platform. It's called SupplyGuard AI. In the healthcare sector, small clinics heavily rely on messy or static spreadsheets to track the inventory. The massive problem is they usually only notice a supply crisis after they have completely run out of critical stuff like surgical masks or syringes. Let's hit reload demo data. Look at that. With just one click, the agent doesn't just read raw numbers. It transforms a dead process into a live dynamic risk map, calculating exactly how many days of cover you have left based on real-time consumption trends. Now, what I really love about the backend architecture is the strict separation between deterministic math and AI reasoning. We all know that LMNs can sometimes hallucinate numbers. To completely eliminate that risk in a critical field like medical procurement, I wrote a pure TypeScript math engine locally. It takes care of the hard calculations with absolute precision. Once the numbers are rock solid, it pounds them into clean metadata and hands it over the Gemini API, which act as the brain to handle complex reasoning and strategy. To keep things incredibly clean, all the agents' operational intelligence is broken down into four modular agent skills right here in the skills folder, making the whole pipeline ultra portable. Let's see how this handles a chaotic real-world scenario. What happens if our primary vendor faces sudden shipping bottlenecks? Let's simulate by tracking this supplier day slider up to 5 days. The second I let go, the engine recalculate the risk intentionally. Look at the crit system. The crit sensitive item immediately flash red because they are safety purpose. Yes, prefer just collapse it under the new timeline. Now, here is an engineering detail you will appreciate. I implemented a 300 million second deploy mechanism on the front end. So when a user play around with the slider, it doesn't spam the Google API with hundreds of rapid fire requests. But even better, if we ever hit a heavy traffic peak and trip an API rate limit by backend intercepts it and triggers a local fallback mode, generating a calculated local markdown report instantly so user interface stays alive 24/7, no matter what. Next is the human approval gate. Even though the Gemini API is incredibly smart at auto drafting professional procurement and negotiation emails for a vendor like Apex Medical, the platform enforces safety by default. As you can see, the text is completely blurred out and locked. This aligns perfectly with responsible AI principles. We don't want an autonomous agent politely placing orders and throwing company money around without eyes on it. AI is the assistant, but humans make the final call. The moment an operation manager checks the verification box and clicks approval draft, like this. The layout unlocks beautifully, exposing a polished professional email draft ready to copy and send. It's smooth, safe, and completely bulletproof. Finally, dry at the bottom, we have the agent execution trace. This provides complete audit transparency, showing every single step of the agent executed, from schema parsing to API verification log outputs. The platform successfully cleared all 8 of our rigorous evaluation test scenarios locally. The code base is officially wrapped up, committed to GitHub, and deployed on Vercel. A massive thank you to Google and Kaggle for putting together such an awesome capstone experience. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.